Hello guys, you're welcome back. And just woke up, just finished taking my morning supplements. Have different kinds of supplements. Some you take it on an empty stomach before you eat. You wait like about 30 or an hour before eating. While I have some that I take between meals, like after eating, then I take the rest. A lot of supplements to help with our skin, okay? So you should get some supplements also. It really helps. So after that, I'm gonna apply some mask. I create different kinds of masks that suit my skin. So that's why I make video to show you different kinds of masks that you can try on and know the one that your skin likes. Okay, you don't do a particular type of mask all the time. You switch. We have hydration mask, we have detox mask, we have brightening mask, we have fine lines and wrinkles, the one that can help with our fine lines and wrinkles. You have masks that can tighten the skin, different kinds of masks. Okay, that's why you see me, I do different kinds of mask tests first to know the one that suits your skin. Then you can do it, keep switching, but just go natural. Those are the things that helps our skin, not only soap and lotion or cream. Okay, those are not enough. You do your masking also, especially our face, because what anybody sees first is your face. It's very important. So you do different kind of mask, not only on your face but also on your body. You have full body mask. Some things you see me use, I use the one that is left. If I make it bulk, I use the rest of my body. That I don't show that. I don't have to show on my body because you have to go naked to do that. You know what I mean? All right, guys. So this morning I'm making hydration, or do I call it moisture mask, to keep the skin well moisturized, and keep the skin hydrated and glowing, and also like brighten the skin and detox. So everything in one. So I already have all my ingredients in this bowl. I have 1 teaspoon of muleti powder here, and 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey, and half teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil, half teaspoon. If you don't see the oil, if you are using the essential oil, maybe you should put about 10 drops of it or 15 drops. Okay, so just 3 ingredients in this little bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and mix them together to form a paste, and I'm going to apply it all over my face.
It's a Boom J production.
Okay guys, so I'm done applying it. Oh, don't forget your neck. Always go down to your neck and chest, as they say, whatever you do to your face, do to your neck and your chest. So I'm going to leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will wash it off. I'm going to shower at the same time, and that is it. Okay, so guys, so that will be it. It's just 3 ingredients. So wash it off, apply your serum, apply your moisturizer, and you are good to go. Don't forget to tone before you apply your serum. Make sure you tone. Okay, use your toner, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep and stay organically beautiful, y'all. They are calling me out there. I have to go and attend to my boy. I want to eat, so let me answer to him. guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. I love you all. Mwah.